Hey friends, welcome to another Bible journaling process video. Today we're going to use the Arise kit from Illustrated Faith, written by our friend Janet, also known as Top Knots and Jesus on social media. I'll make sure to link her social media below so you can go find her and this awesome kit. The first thing we're going to do is use the smushing technique. We're going to spray some water both on the page and on some packaging and use this orange pit marker brush to get some color down in the background of the page. Next, we're going to use acrylic paints that match the kit to stamp down the stars in the kit. The best way to do this is to take the paint that's in the lid and to evenly spread it over the star and stamp it down on the page like you normally would. A big tip for this is to make sure that you hold it down for a second or two longer than you normally would so that the paint doesn't smear. I'm going to do this in both this pink paint from Walmart and then this robin egg blue paint from the Handmade Modern collection found at Target. Next, we're going to work on stamping our title. The title that I wanted to use for this page was from the devotional. Janet talked about how a friend prayed for her and she said that a different level was a different devil, and I thought that was so powerful that I wanted to make sure that it got down in the margins of my Bible. So I'm going to use the Quinny Alpha from Illustrated Faith, which I'll link below, and I'm going to stamp that out. One technique that I have for stamping words is to make sure that as many letters as you can you fit on the block and stamp that down and then keep repeating. Also, as I'm trying to get this word different down twice, the first time I went D to T and the second time I went T to D. That way it was the same in line and they were even. Next, you're going to see me play around with some ephemera and some stickers, trying to decide what looks best underneath this title. I end up going with a sticker from the kit, which is this really cute shooting star with a rainbow. Who doesn't love a good rainbow? The last thing that's going to happen is I realized there was some white space that I didn't like, so I pulled back out my pit marker and I'm stamping down this star in some tone on tone using that orange again just to fill in the space and really make the page pop. So there's the page. Thanks so much for watching, friends. It's been awesome. Can't wait till next time. Bye-bye.